Hi there, my name is Jason Schneider and I'm a woodworker from Marquette, Michigan. And I'm here teaching a wood turning workshop in the wood turning studio here at Marc Adams. What we're doing here is focusing on bowl turning mostly, or faceplate turning. And so we have a class of mostly beginners. There's a few people with some experience, but we're going over all of the basics, starting from the very beginning, how to mount the wood to the lathe and how to sharpen your tools and how to turn beautiful bowls and platters. And the students are great here. Everybody's having a great time. Actually, we're turning through so much wood. I think we're worrying the school a little bit that we're turning so fast and so much. But everybody's having a great time, and it's really great to be here. This school is fantastic. There's so many great classes. I mean, Michael Fortune, one of the best woodworkers in the world, is right down the hallway teaching a week-long workshop class on how to make a chair. And to have these great facilities, it's just a wonderful program. And of course, Marc and Susie Adams are just wonderful people and great hosts. This school, Marc Adams School of Woodworking, is one of the best programs in the country for what we do here. We have woodworking from all different levels and techniques into alternative processes and materials like working with corrugated cardboard and stained glass and some metal work. It's really just a great craft program, and everybody's really dedicated to giving you an amazing transformative experience. So if you're interested in coming here, check out the link to the classes below.